What is happening, phone nerds? Ian here again from Mega Mobile USA, and today I want to do a quick unboxing of the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G. Okay, whatever. You can pick this up at my store. I'll leave a link in the description. If you purchase from me, this is exactly what you're going to get. Just a real quick recap on the specs, though. It's got a 6.7-inch screen with 120 Hz refresh, a 4,500 milliamp hour battery, a Snapdragon 888 processor, a 50 megapixel main camera co-developed with Hasselblad. It's dual SIM, and this is the international factory unlocked version. The particular one in front of me is model L2120, and this one has 256 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs and 12 gigs of RAM, sorry. So without further ado, here's a quick unboxing for you to see exactly what you're gonna get if you purchase from my store. Got the box here, lift off the top. We have what looks like a little Hasselblad little cutout for the camera there. And then you see the phone is right here. I'm gonna go ahead and power that on while I do the rest of this. Then we have this insert, which has a bunch of stuff in it. It comes with a case which matches the color of the phone, which is really cool. And I know it matches because I've seen the green one and it has a green case as well. So this is not a cheapy case. This is actually pretty awesome. You have the Never Settle here with the SIM eject tool. Got some just random instruction booklets and docs. Got your stickers, and then it's got like a little quick start guide thing going on. Let's see here. What else do we have? We have the charger here. It is the Warp Charge 65. Some of the phones may have a different charger in the box, and if they do, don't worry, I always include an adapter. You can just plug it in and use it. So it's all good no matter what. And then you have the traditional USB-C to C red and white cable from OnePlus. And then let me just go ahead and grab the phone here. So this guy is the stellar black color, and it's like it looks like a mattish black, but it doesn't feel like it. You have the Hasselblad branding there with the two cameras and then the bottom two. Microphone, volume up and down, SIM tray, another microphone, USB-C, speaker. You have the power, sleep wake button, and then the volume silent switch there as well. So when you boot it up, you're gonna get a choice of languages. You can see here, you can choose your language and all that kind of stuff. I'm just gonna skip through all this so you guys can see that the phone does in fact come with Google Play. This is the global ROM. Having a hard time speaking today. And everything's pre-installed. You can get all the updates. You don't have to worry about anything. It works just right out the box. And this is exactly what you're gonna get. Just a couple opt-in things. I'm gonna skip all this jazz here. I'm gonna skip the navigation gestures just because they make me practice them. I don't care for. Everyone already knows how to use them. Phone boots, you can see, here's the Google Suite. It's already pre-installed. You selected whatever language you wanted when you first booted it, and that's what it's gonna show. It's got everything you need. There you go, swipe up. Everything's pre-installed, works like magic. So once again, guys, this is the OnePlus 9 Pro, and you can pick it up in my store. Just check out the link in the description. If you have any other questions, drop a comment below. Please like the video. And as always, I look forward to selling you your new phone and appreciate your business. Thank you.